Okay, well, I'm getting ready to cut this second part. It's another set of, it's the movable jaw for a set of custom vise jaws that'll be mounted in the vise to make another part. This stock's already been prepared with it's been planed on all four sides and squared up, and it's now ready for me to set up in the vise. So I thought since I got my new Haimer, I would walk through actually how to use it for those who haven't had a chance to use one yet, and show you how that works. So if you look over here on the mock, you know, the X, Y, and Z G54 is referenced right here. So we're about to set up the G54 for this particular part, and right now we're in no man's land as far as the part's concerned. But so we're going to fix that. So the first step is going to be to actually get our Y moved into a decent position. That's good enough for now, and then we'll Z down a little bit. Now, something to note on the Haimer is it has available from Tormach a long probe and a short probe. The short probe comes with it. It's got a ceramic tip on the end that if you accidentally like race this thing into a rapid position and hit a part or hit the vise, it'll actually break that tip off. Now that's what it's supposed to do. I'm not going to demonstrate that obviously, but that's the security to try and not tear up a precision instrument. So let's go ahead and bring our Y out a little more. That's a good spot. We'll just go for there. This is where our part's going to start at. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and check the Z. And as I bring this down, you'll see the indicator actually start to move. As soon as it makes contact with the part, you can almost see the reflection there. There we go. So right now we're trying to get the red hand onto the 0. See if I can get this to focus a little better. And get the, you can see there's a 0 at the bottom at the 6 o'clock position. And we want to get to the 0 on the 12 o'clock position with the big hand as well. So we're kind of cycling around here. Okay, so there we are. So that's our Z. So if we come over here, we can now, that's our Z0. So I'm going to go ahead and raise this thing up. And we'll just move over and pick up the X. I'm going to Z down to -0.01. That's a little more than I wanted. So right now it's set up to where the ball is just pretty close to being at the top. And we just want to be able to get on that load up on that side. And we just repeat the same process. We want everything to get back to 0, 0. Okay. So we'll come over here to Mach and we'll set our 0. So that just leaves the Y. I'm going to move off of that a little bit. Move our Y out. You'll notice I didn't change the Z just to make things a little faster. And we'll load up on the Y. I kind of like to sneak up on the 0 as opposed to just running it all the way in there. Don't know if it really matters or not, but there we go. So now we've got a Y0 also. So in theory, I should be able to back this up a little bit, unload it, and Z up. Here's our 1, 2, 3 block. It's not quite at 3, but it's definitely more than 2. So if I put this on here and go down on our Z, oops, I missed it. Let's go over here and do a we'll do a Y negative 0.01. That'll get us in on our part. So here we should essentially be at 2, and I'm at 1.9988, so I'm off by about 2 thou, which that's pretty good for what I'm going to be needing. Last thing you'll notice is the Haimer is actually in millimeters. You can get it in inch, but this is the newer style. Got the bigger dial face. For people like me who need the eyesight, this is a little more helpful. But the main thing is you got to get it into the 0, 0 position. So whether it's in inches or millimeter is kind of up to you, but didn't seem to make a difference for me. But anyhow, that's how you set it up. Later.